Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, welcome to today's online class. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Shahabul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Ashrafabad High School, Kamrangi Chowk, Dhaka. Dear learners, welcome to today's online class. I am going to take class in class 8 English first paper. Dear learner, I shall discuss unit 1 lesson 3. Our ethnic friends, dear learners, you know that step by step, gradually your online class is starting. Last class I discussed story unit 1 lesson 1 2, but now I shall discuss unit 1 lesson 3. Not only that, I discuss last classes question number 1 and question number 2. Choose the best answer from the alternative and question number 2 shall give answer following the question. But now today I am starting to discuss the story text unit 1 lesson 3 topics our ethnic friend. Dear learners, be attentive. The ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. Dear learners, you know that ethnic people mean one kind of man, anthropological man, that generally this kind of people live in Heltic, Mymensingh. There are 6 or more kind of ethnic friends. They are very important in our country. The majority of these people live in the Chattogram Heltek. Their learners, these kind of people mostly live in the Chattogram Heritage, others live in the region of Mymensingh, Rajshahi, Sylhet. They live in forest area, in the hill and rural areas. They do zone cultivation. For this work, they clear a piece of land in the forest, prepare it and sow seed in it. They are mostly farmers by religion. They are Hindus, Christian or Buddhists. They speak their own mother tongue. Some of them are the Chakmas, Marmas, the Tripuras and the Modong, who live in the Hiltek. The Shatal live in Rajshahi. The Khasiyas and the Manipuris live in Sylhet, and the Hajong and the Garo in Mymensingh. This is the simple story, dear learners. I shall discuss about the story. Ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of our country. You know that we are common people in our country, but there are some exceptional uh, person in our country. They are very important in our customary. One, the ethnic people who live in who live in Chattogram heritage. Generally, this kind of men are completely different, but footing system are same, but their activities and their living place completely different from us. Mostly they are mostly they live in rural they live in rural area. Generally, they are not found in the urban or city. They are mostly farmers. They work below. They do jhum cultivation. They learn jhum cultivation means they clear the hills and forest and they cultivate in this place because there is no alternative way and they had no own land for which they dig the hill land and they have to they are to clear the forest for their living, for their bread and butter. They live in forest area in the hill and rural areas. Mostly they live in the forest area because they must hunt different kinds of animal and mostly they do some cultivation after clearing the forest and plow the land. They sow seed in this place, thus they grow food. They are mostly farmers. Most of the ethnic friends in our country are farmers. Some are fishermen. They catch fishes in the different area and they earn by the fishing. By the religion, they are Hindu, Christian, and Buddha. Generally, our ethnic friends are Hindus, Buddhas, and Christian. Three religions they are mostly. They are learners. They speak their own mother language. Generally, our ethnic friends not high educated, middle educated, mostly they are illiterate, for which they speak their own language. Some of them are the Sakma. There are special names Sakma, Marmas, Tripura, and Modong who live in hilltech. Generally, Sakma, one kind of our ethnic friend Marmas, one kind of ethnic friend Tripura, one kind of ethnic friend Modong, one kind of ethnic friend, particularly Sakma, Modong, Tripura live in hilltech. They live in the forest and hill area. The Shatal live in Rajshahi. Shatal is one kind of our ethnic friend They live in Rajshahi and Khasias and Manipuri. Khasias and Manipuri, one kinds of our ethnic friends live in Sylhet. Hajong and Garos are kind of our ethnic friends. Generally, they live in Mymensingh. Such kind of the story, dear learners. I hope that you have got idea about the text. But now I will discuss some important vocabulary. Be attentive and follow the board. Ethnic, ethnic, anthropological, anthropological important, means significant, important, significant, live, dwell, region, area, rural, rustic, cultivation, cultivation, tillage of land, tillage of land, prepare, make ready, characteristic, kisar, characteristic kisar, staple, principle, first time, recreation, traditional, customary, customary fluid, musical pipe, musical pipe with hole control with hole control by the finger. By the finger, wrestling, struggle between two, struggle between two, to throw, between two to throw in other, down, weight, curve into a fabric, wire, put on their learners. This is what meaning. Step by step I discuss the word meaning. You please follow the board. Ethnic anthropological one kind of human being, important, significant, very dignified. Live means dwell, region, area, that means rural, rustic, rustic village. The forest area here means cultivation, village of land means the most of ethnic friend do zoom cultivation. Zoom cultivation means they clear forest and high hill and dig the land and sow seed. Thus they cultivate their food. Prepare, very easy word, make ready. Characteristic, feature, aim, staple, principle of or main. You know that rice is their staple food. Pastime, recreation. Recreation means enjoyable time, passing enjoyable time. Traditional, customary, ancient, very ancient, conventional. Flute, a musical pipe with hole controlled by the finger. Their learners, you know that most of the ethnic friends enjoy their life, particularly their children enjoy their life with different kind of pipe that use and they use for singing any song. Wrestling one kind of play resting. Generally, it means struggling between two to throw each other down. One struggle and against another to fall down. Where form into a fabric. Generally, the making clothes were put on. Generally, the all kinds of the ethnic trend put different kinds of dresses like as thus our online class, and you know that you have got idea our passage and text, and you have got idea the vocabulary, dear learners. But next class I will discuss choose the best answer from the alternative question number 1. Dear learners, your HW. HW for next class. Write a paragraph on ethnic people farewell. Dear learners, I have finished the class. Dear learners, if you want to comment on today's class, you can comment. There is a comment box below. You can comment. Thank you very much.